when the stakes are high and the variables can change in an instant. One ecosystem of products is expertly built to handle any production. Introducing DJI RS4 and DJI RS4 Pro. Two state-of-the-art stabilization platforms that integrate seamlessly into any workflow. The RS4 brings efficiency to new levels. Both stabilizers now feature second-generation native vertical shooting for social content with maximized resolution. Setups are quicker and more secure, with improved axis locks featuring smaller gaps and a new retractable placement guide. The extended tilt axis arm can accommodate additional accessories, and a smooth Teflon coating offers easier balancing. And when you're ready to roll, start recording with just a tap. With the new mode switch, the joystick now allows for direct zoom control. An improved stabilization algorithm handles any speed and intensity you throw at it. And the screen auto-locks to prevent accidental touches. The newly added RSA communication port allows you to expand your ecosystem and broaden your shot possibilities. Extend shooting time and reach with the new high-capacity battery grip. And when you're ready to go pro, experience cinema-grade stability and hyper-intelligent features with the new RS4 Pro. New dual rolling bearings facilitate smoother adjustments. Get high-precision framing with heavier rigs thanks to increased motor torque. The new car mount mode optimizes stabilization based on vehicle vibrations, enabling steady capture. Seamlessly connect to DJI Pro ecosystem accessories to achieve integrated video transmission, precision focusing, and intuitive remote gimbal control with DJI Master Wheels and more. With up to 2 DJI Focus Pro motors, cinematographers can now control focus and zoom simultaneously. From sweeping landscapes to tighter and more intimate narrative scenes, RS4 Pro is uniquely equipped. Expand your toolkit and creative possibilities by adding autofocus to manual lenses with the new Focus Pro LiDAR and motor. This upgraded LiDAR system leverages advanced AI algorithms for our most accurate subject tracking yet, steadily maintaining focus and framing. The Focus Pro hand unit supports one-button linking for lightning-quick use, and intuitive focus, iris, and zoom control from extended ranges. The hand unit's magnetic damping offers adjustable tactile feedback for delicate focus pull. With multiple RSA ports, third-party accessory options for RS4 and RS4 Pro are expanded for increased modularity to tailor to every project. Offering industry-leading stabilization, transmission, focus, and control, the updated Ronin ecosystem effortlessly broadens the creative horizons, enabling cinematographers to tell gripping stories and transcend their potential.